I gotta figure out how to freaking do it.
Guess what day it is?
It's dinner time!
No. Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. That's right, I decided this year I wanted to do Vlogmas, which for those of you who may not know, that is vlogging every day until Christmas. So December 1st through December 24th, I'll be vlogging every single day. My goal is to upload every day. I cannot promise you that that'll happen. If I have busier days, it may be hard for me to edit, but if that ever does happen, I will combine days into one vlog, and I'll like separate each day for you so you kind of know what's going on. But yeah, it's December 1st, which means it's officially Christmas time. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but we are in our house. That is a thing to celebrate, definitely. So right now we're in our office. We're actually in the midst of rearranging because David is getting a new L-shaped desk. I'll give you a little tour of the rest of the house. The kitchen isn't quite done yet. Okay, come on, I'll show you the house.
Who's coming on? It's a camera. You're taking it with you.
I know, they're coming with me. I'm carrying them. All right, guys, so it's time for an official house tour. Everything is not done yet, but we are moved back in, so that's the important thing. Please pardon the mess because, again, we are not completely done, but I wanted to show you guys around. So here behind me is our front door that you would walk into and see our living room. So yes, I have already put up our beautiful Christmas tree, which I'm obsessed with. I don't have the lights on right now, but I have to go to a practice tonight, and after that I'll probably come home and turn the lights on and enjoy the Christmassy lights. To the right over here we have our bookshelf, which I have decorated with some Christmas stuff as well, including a nativity down there and some Christmas stockings that David's mom made for us. David's, I think, is actually from his childhood, and then she made that one for me last year when I became part of the family. So this is our living room. I have this mini Christmas tree over here. These couches will have navy blue couch covers on them, so they are not going to stay the plaid. That is temporary. Over here we have this cute little ladder shelf, which I am also obsessed with, and I put some Christmassy stuff on there. These boxes are pictures that will go in the living room that we haven't taken out or put up yet. And this table is definitely not a permanent thing. This is basically our dining room table until our kitchen is back. Oh, and beautiful keyboard as well. We go down the hallway, and to the right is the guest bedroom. I'm just gonna give you a short peek of this because this is kind of the room where we're throwing everything that we don't know what to do with until our kitchen gets back to normal. So this will look a lot prettier once the rest of the house is put together. So then we keep going down the hallway. To the left here is the kitchen, which I'll get to in a second. And then to this left is our bathroom, which I'll go ahead and show you a peek of because I think it's pretty cute. So this is our bathroom. I think it used to be an add-on because we have this brick wall that's here. But it has this really cute recessed cabinetry, which I absolutely love, and I've just put some stuff on display there. And yeah, it has this really pretty tile on the wall too, which I think they painted over because under the sink you can see what it used to be, and it definitely used to be a lot more retro than this. I also love our lights up there that we got. We got those after the fire. That was part of the stuff that we could get replaced. And I think they're so cute. They're just like these little cute lights, which are adorable. And then the door back there goes to the backyard, and that's just a closet. His natural habitat with Shadow. How fitting. Like, this is not going to be his setup for long at all, but it looks really good on camera. We're preparing for him to get a new L-shaped desk, which you're excited about, aren't you? Yeah, he's pretty pumped. So this will look a little bit different here in a little bit, but this is our office space. And then we're gonna back up and see what we have of the kitchen so far. Again, it's not like completely done, but this is what we have so far. So we have our beautiful white cabinets, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. We have this large pantry that we used to put in. It's narrow, but it's very, very like long on the inside. So I love that. We have our microwave in, our dishwasher in, but we're still waiting on countertops, and we are still waiting on the oven and the fridge. So that's all the stuff we're waiting on. We had cleaning people come and take our stuff to a warehouse to clean it all, which is like crazy that they had to do that. So we've told them to keep everything that was in the kitchen until we get the kitchen completely finished, because like why move it in if we have nowhere to put it? So we do have a couple kitchen-y stuff that they did bring in that is currently in the guest bedroom. That's part of the mess in there. But most of it is still at that warehouse, and we'll move all that in once the rest of the kitchen is in, which should be in like, I think 12 days. Because they said the 12th is when the appliances come in, and I think that's the last thing to come in. So you guys will probably see the completion of this kitchen, which is really exciting. And normally we will have a kitchen table that's right there instead of that like dusty work table. And then David bought me this cute little kitchen mat today, which I really love. Then we go in here. This is our bedroom, which again is a mess. We were cleaning up a little bit earlier, but I haven't made the bed today. Here's our curtains, which I love. And yeah, we still got some stuff to put away in here. Especially stuff to hang. That's the majority of stuff we have to put away. And then in here we have a walk-in closet for David and I's clothes. And then in here is our laundry room, which again, just another storage space. I honestly don't even know what's in that box. So the majority of the house is done. Other than the kitchen, pretty much it's just like little nitpicky stuff that has left to be done, like figuring out exactly where we want everything to go, or just like getting rid of stuff that we don't want anymore. So yeah, my biggest stressor right now is for sure the guest bedroom, because everything that's in there, I'm just like, I don't even know what to do with this. So I'm hoping once the kitchen gets back to normal, we'll be able to make more sense out of our home, and it'll be more of a home than just what it is now. Because right now I feel like everything is just thrown in here with no rhyme or reason, and it's all chaos. So hopefully it will not be chaos in like 10 days, 12 days. So I just wanted to give you that quick little house tour. You can say hi to the puppies. Oh, look, there's JC and Jasper. Hi, handsomes. You being so good for the camera. Oh, you sitting. Uh-oh, is it playtime? So I did start this vlog a little later in the evening, but this morning I had like a leadership retreat thing for our church, and then this evening I have a band practice for our church for the worship team, and it's dark because I turned the light off in the bathroom. So I gotta go to that, and I think I gotta leave in about a half hour. We're practicing our Christmassy songs for the year, and yeah, it should be good. So happy Vlogmas, everyone. Woo! Okay, but if you haven't heard this Ariana Grande song, it's like lit. I'm just saying. Guys, look. We got a little tree out front lit up with some lights for Christmas. One day I'd like to do more, but maybe each year we'll add a little bit more. But for now, we got this Christmassy lit up tree, and I really like it. And then normally I'll have like that window open and you can see the Christmas tree lit up at night, so that like adds to the outdoor decorations, I feel like. And then we also have this lit up wreath on our front door. Look, it's so pretty. I don't know, you probably can't tell at night, but yeah, my camera's having a hard time focusing, but there's like cranberries in there and pine cones, so it makes it like super realistic looking in the daytime too, which I really like it. Super cute. Puppies, I'm home. Hello. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Hi, puppers. I see you destroyed the couch. Not surprised. Oh, is it food time? That's why you're ignoring me. It's because it's dinner time. JC's so excited. Look at him. Okay, so I just got back from our band practice. I was gonna vlog some of it, but honestly, only 3 of us ended up coming out. But I figured I'd vlog at church tomorrow. I probably won't vlog every Sunday, but I do want to show you guys like our church setup because it's definitely a little unique because we have church in a school. That's weird. Yeah, so we don't have our own building, so every single Sunday we get there super early and we help set up everything and we tear it down everything the same day. So we set up, have practice, have service, and tear right back down. So it's a little intense. We actually don't have to set up tomorrow because we set, at least in the auditorium, we don't. Like all the children's ministries and all that, like greeters and stuff like that, they all have to set up still, but we don't because we set up yesterday so that we could have our practice tonight. So I'm still only getting there 15 minutes later than normal tomorrow because there's still a lot to do. But I'll show you guys around for that. That way you can kind of get a taste of what church in a school is like, I guess, because it's weird. It is weird, but I like it. Also, I'm going to show you our Christmas tree lit up because it's so pretty. And it spins around so you can see all the sides of the tree. Look. It's spinning. It's so pretty. It looks so good on this camera. And I got our little angel on top. She's spinning away from us, but she's holding a little banner that says Bosarge, or the Bosarges. Now it's out of focus. Kind of looks cool though. You know. I'm trying to channel my Christmas. I'm saying that even though I'm not listening to Christmas music, but I have on this like Christmassy shirt that I got from my college that I went to. That I really like, and then I have on plaid pajama pants because I'm trying to channel Christmas. I think David's streaming. Let's sneak in on him and see what he's doing. I'm sure he's gonna hate this.
Let's go, brothers. Gotta reload. Gotta heal.
Look, it's a young adult male in its natural habitat. Is this Fortnite?
No.
Oh, what is it?
Realm Royale.
What is it? Realm Royale?
Yeah, it's kind of like Fortnite, but it doesn't suck.
Got it. Is this the one where you turn into a chicken when you die?
Yeah.
I remember.
I just killed the chicken.
Oh, nice. Well, I am basically gonna go and chill in there with David while he's streaming Realm Royale. That was what it was called. I'm just gonna go chill in there with him and edit my video while he streams. Edit this video that you're watching right now. And yeah, it's a good first day to Vlogmas. I'm excited for it. I've always wanted to do Vlogmas ever since I saw, like, back in 2012, 2013 when I first started watching like vlogs on YouTube and seeing like Zoe Sugg. Her Vlogmases are always my favorite. But I don't know, I just find it interesting watching people's everyday life, especially seeing like special things they do around Christmas time. I'm really excited for Vlogmas. I've always wanted to do it, and not every day will be Christmassy. Today wasn't very Christmassy because that's just life, but I am hoping to do like some fun Christmassy stuff, like going to see Christmas lights or baking Christmas cookies and stuff like that. So hopefully that will be in the future. If you want to see what I get up to all the way up until Christmas this month, then keep on watching Vlogmas. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias as normal, of course. I'm still on all of those. I'm on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Twitter is growing more and more on me every day, I swear. So make sure you guys go and follow me over on those too. And yeah, that is it for first day of Vlogmas, and I will see you guys tomorrow in day number 2.